Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin and gold are experiencing a resurgence due to the current macroeconomic uncertainty. The Minsky moment has arrived according to Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital. This phenomenon occurs when deficits and debt levels finally matter in the market. Historically, sovereign nations have been able to run large deficits without facing backlash from markets. However, the US is starting to behave like an emerging market. Interest rates are rising while the dollar weakens. This unusual combination raises concerns about financial stewardship. Bitcoin and gold serve as report cards on this topic. In times of macroeconomic uncertainty, Bitcoin tends to perform well unless risk appetite evaporates entirely. Novogratz highlighted two key narratives driving Bitcoin: the macro story, reflected in gold's recent rally, and the adoption story, which is still in its early stages. Capital is flowing out of the US dollar into perceived safe havens like Bitcoin. As institutional and retail adoption develops, we're seeing Bitcoin trade more independently from US equities. The warning signs of a Minsky moment are clear. Markets are signaling that Trump's policy push is too aggressive and unsustainable. Even modest Treasury yield increases have massive implications for the national debt, potentially costing more on an annualized basis than major savings programs. A 25 or 50 basis point hike in interest rates has significant effects. Bitcoin and gold will be crucial to understand as we navigate this period of uncertainty. The Bitcoin market will continue to follow macroeconomic trends, but its adoption story remains a work in progress. As the US dollar weakens, we're seeing more investors seek safe havens like Bitcoin. This trend is likely to persist, driving up demand for this digital asset. In conclusion, the current global economic shifts and uncertainty are having a significant impact on markets. Bitcoin and gold are playing key roles as report cards on financial stewardship. As the US dollar weakens and interest rates rise, we're entering uncharted territory. It's essential to stay informed about these developments and understand how they'll affect the Bitcoin market.